Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use Laravel Blade directives. And as you know, there are many Blade directives, and you can see it in Laravel documentation. You can use if and unless is set empty out. Yeah, you can see a bunch of directives inside documentation. You can check it out. But today I'm going to show you how to create a custom directive, a Laravel Blade directive in your project. And if you want, let's do that together. And inside web PHP, as you know, our roots PHP, I will create a controller for that purpose because I will pass a sample data to our view. So let's create our controller, PHP artisan make controller, welcome controller. And I'm gonna write here welcome controller and welcome method. I'm gonna create it. Welcome. And I will write here a sample data to use it inside my view, return view welcome, and let's check it works fine. Yeah, there's no problem for up to now. And create, let's put some sample data here. At the end of the tutorial, what we are gonna see, we will see an Apple example. If you want, I can open our welcome blade and let's end here. I think it is okay. At the end of the lesson, I will show you how to make a Laravel directive for this purpose. 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, 1 apple. As you know, if apple is plural, it should get an S character end of the word. So we will try to do that inside our Laravel directive. So there are a couple of ways to do that, I know, but my purpose is, my aim is in this lesson show you how to create a directive and use it inside your blades. Yes, and let's send our people to our welcome blade, and I'm gonna use here this for each our people, and we can use a ulist and person name as X apples or apple. We are gonna decide this inside our custom directive. I should create a service provider. As you know, inside providers we can define our directives. There are a couple of direct service providers here, but I'm gonna create a new one because you should create a service provider for your specific purpose. So let's create a Blade service provider. Make provider Blade service Yes, our service provider is ready here, but firstly we should add this service provider end of our app PHP inside config directory, and you will see providers array here. There are many providers here, and at the very end of this array we should add our blade service provider, and it should work. Yes, it is working. And now our service provider is ready. We can write here we can write our directive, custom directive here, blade and facade directive static function, and let's write our directives name. For example, Apple checker, and we are writing our closure function. There it will accept a parameter, and we will return our pure PHP. And we return this test. Let's write here test. We are returning our test word. We will check it inside our welcome blade, and Apple checker yes, it returns our test word, and now we can send our original data inside our directive. As Apple, and now we are sending inside our directive this person how many Apple has, and let's create our logic here. If person is now expression, person is greater than 1, we are gonna return expression apples, sorry for that, and else we will return apple. If a person has greater than 1 apple, it should return plural version. Okay, I think. Let's check it. There's a problem inside our service provider. Let's check it. Evet. Yeah, we forgot semicolon here, and let's try it. Yeah, as you see, John has 1 apple, Claire has 5 apples, Philip has 3 apples, and our custom directive, blade directive, is working fine. And thanks for watching me. Thanks for listening to me. See you.